Hey, welcome back to Out the Smoke. I'm Malcolm. Got Mark here with me as usual. Mark, we cleaned crawfish last time in the cowboy washer. See all this delicious stuff here. What are we doing today, man?
This is my favorite part. We finna cook some crawfish.
We're gonna boil a sack of crawfish. It's gonna be easy, and if you've never tried it, this recipe has never failed, right,
That's
Mark?
right.
Well, without further ado,
Let's get to boiling.
let's boil some today, Mark.
So we got our standard crawfish rig here. It's 80 quart pot, double jet burner, propane tank. What more do you need? And we got first portion of our 32 ounces of liquid. Go ahead and get the second one going.
I'm dropping in the butter. We got 2 sticks of butter. It's gonna give us some savoriness. Also gonna keep the pot from over boiling.
Then we got our 5 pounds of dry crawfish boil. That'll open the sinuses up right there.
Ooh.
And we got our 32 ounces of chicken broth.
Now for the savory. 1 bottle AP seasoning. That's that salt, pepper, garlic. Then we're gonna give it a little bump with some Mississippi grit. It's got more citrus notes to it, so it's really gonna make a nice flavor in the crawfish heads.
Now, time to start squeezing some lemons. 7 to 8 lemons. At this point, you just want to get everything mixed up. Start bringing your heat back up. Get this back to a good rolling boil for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So these are the size potatoes we do. A little bit smaller than a golf ball. Takes about 10 minutes to cook before you drop the crawfish. Perfect size for boiling crawfish. So we're ready to drop these in. Malcolm, set us a timer for 10 minutes.
I got you.
I'm gonna crank the heat back up.
All right, after the potatoes have boiled for about 10 minutes, it's time to drop the crawfish. We've already cleaned these crawfish. You want to check that out, watch our crawfish washer video. Mark, we're just gonna dump them right
Dump 'em in.
real slow. Try not to splash me. And at this point, we're gonna go ahead and put our mushrooms in, because I like mushrooms. We're gonna add some dill pickles, vinegar, garlic cloves, all that's going in. That's flavor in this pot of crawfish.
And then last but not least, our old red skin sausage. All right, so we're gonna get the lid back on.
We're gonna give it some heat. We're gonna bring it back to a boil. That's when we'll start our timer, and they need about 3 minutes of boiling.
So you can see the steam coming from around this lid. That lets me know this water is boiling. We're gonna go ahead and start a timer for 3 minutes. After that 3 minutes, we're gonna kill the heat, get the boil boss on the pot, and start cooling these crawfish so they can soak.
All right, once our 3-minute timer goes off, we kill the fire, and now it's time to chill the pot and soak these crawfish. We're gonna soak them for about 30, 35 minutes to get that flavor in the heads.
So we just shut the boil boss off. It done its job. We got the water down to 140. Now it's time to soak. We're gonna let these crawfish soak for about 35 minutes. Gonna get that juice in that head. Gonna be a mighty fine crawfish.
Hey, they smell good already, Mark. If y'all wanna see how we cooled this pot down with the boil boss, y'all check out that video. We're releasing it next week. All right, Mark, our crawfish been soaking for 35 minutes. They should be optimal. What I like to see here, there's no crawfish floating. They've all filled up with juice. They're all at the bottom of the pot. That's how you know they got flavor in them.
They're ready. So we're gonna ease it up. Stick that paddle underneath.
I got you. Use that to prop them up, let them drain.
And then we're going in the bucket.
Oh, we got 2 that lost. That's a sack of crawfish. So Mark, now the best part of the day, we get to eat these crawfish. We got it all cooked in one pot. Let's see if there's any juice in these heads. Oh man, that's to the brain.
It's good eating right there.
Tell me it comes out every time.
Sausage.
We're fixing to get down on them, folks. I got some heat. Tail out, just pinching them. That's what you want. I mean, just look at this juice that comes out of this head. Hey Mark, I don't care what you say. That's exactly how you cook a sack of crawfish. All the fixing. We're gonna find some friends. We're gonna get us some cold beer. We're gonna sit down and enjoy this, right?
Fine eating. That's the best lunch I've had on a Wednesday in a
That's
while.
right. Hey, appreciate y'all hanging out with us here at OutTheSmoke. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to that channel. If you want to send us some questions or comments, go to the Facebook page. We'll try to get some videos made from some of those ideas. Mark, where can they find you?
Y'all can find us at Swine Life BBQ on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Malcolm, I enjoyed it.
Hey, I enjoyed it too, Mark. Y'all know y'all can see me on How to Barbecue Right. It's time to eat some mud bugs,
right.
y'all. We'll see you next time.